Next time you catch yourself saying the word should, try changing 2 letters, being responsible and powerful, change it to could. I don't create expectations that cell phones aren't going to go off. I create expectations I'm going to hear 500 cell phones a day, and that people are going to be in their phone, and if people aren't, then cool. Because creating an expectation that isn't real doesn't benefit me. Give me one expectation of anything. He should be what? Somebody give me an expectation that you have for a child or for an adult. He should be listening. Okay, so now say to me he should be listening. Okay, now say to me he could be listening. What's the difference in her voice? Somebody give me something else. Give me something else. What's that? Okay, exactly. Give me something else. Another expectation.
He should be more attentive.
Who? What's that?
He should be more attentive.
He should be more attentive. Got it. Now notice how you feel. Now say he could be more attentive. Are you still the same way, or do you feel differently? Feel in your body. Notice that. How should traffic be? Tell me. I want to hear. How should traffic be? Okay, but I want you to say traffic should be. No, I want you to say the words. Do I want you to say smooth, or do I want you to say the whole sentence? We're going to go over that later. That's the behavior stuff, okay? So ready? Traffic should be smooth. Now say traffic could be smooth.
Traffic could be smooth.
Do you feel something different in your body? Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.